Hello my shining stars. So today we are doing class 3 Learn and Solve Maths by Children Voice publication. So let's start. Chapter 5 Division. We know that division is repeated subtraction or equal sharing. Let us revise whatsoever we have learned in the previous class. So warm up. The first question, Adi has 12 chocolates. She wants to distribute these chocolates among her 4 friends. So how many chocolates should she give to each friend? So here total 12 chocolates and friends 4. So how she can distribute equally? So 3 each, right? Now the second one, subtract 5 from 25 until you get 0. How many times is 5 subtracted before getting 0? So what you have to do, 25 minus 5 equals to 20. Then 20 minus 5 equals to 15. Then 15 minus 5, 10. 10 minus 5, 5. 5 minus 5, 0. So how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 times, right? Now relation between division and multiplication. Observe the following. We have 15 balls and here we can make 5 groups of 3 balls each. So we can say 5 multiplied by 3 equals to 15. Okay, or how we can do, we can make 3 groups of 5 balls each, or we can say 3 multiplied by 5 equals to 15. So how we get 15? We get 5 into 3 equals to 15, or 3 multiplied by 5, that is also 15. So remember, division is the inverse process of multiplication. For every multiplication fact, there are 2 division facts and vice versa. However, a multiplication fact of same factors gives only 1 division fact. For example, 4 into 4 equals to 16. This gives only 1 division fact, means 16 divided by 4, that is equal to 4. Now assessment 1, write 2 division facts for each of the following. One has been done for you. A part, 5 multiplied by 4 equals to 20. So what we can write, 20 divided by 4 equals to 5 and 20 divided by 5 equals to 4. Now see B part, 9 multiply 4 equal to 36. So 36 divided by 4 it will give 9 and 36 divided by 9 it will give 4. Okay. Now see C part, 12 multiply 9 equals to 108. So 108 divided by 9 it gives 12 and 108 divided by 12 it gives 9. So you can try D part. Now the next is properties of division. The first one, if we divide any number by itself, the quotient is always 1. See, 2 divided by 2 is 1. 12 divided by 12 is 1 and 351 divided by the same number, answer is 1 only. The second one, if we divide any number by 1, अगर हम किसी number को 1 से divide करेंगे, the quotient is the number itself. 7 divided by 1 is 7. 14 divided by 1 is 14 and this number 253 divided by 1, we will get the same number. The third, when we divide 0 by any number, the quotient is 0. अगर हम 0 किसी number से divide करेंगे, the answer would be 0. 0 divided by 9, that is 0. The fourth, we cannot divide any number by 0. 0 से हम किसी number को divide नहीं कर सकते. See, 56 divided by 0, this is not possible. Now assessment 2, filling the boxes with the correct numbers so that division fact is right. A part, 33 divided by 1, what will you get? 33. B part, 0 divided by 76, this is 0 only. C part, 64 by 64, what will you get? Same number को divide कर रहे हैं, we will get 1. Now D part, 43 divided by 43, we will get 1. Okay. Now E part, 239 divided by the same number, we will get 1. And here 0 divided by 80, answer is 0, right? Now division using multiplication table method, filling the boxes. 12 divided by 6. अब हम 6 का टेबल रिकॉल करेंगे. So 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12. So here 12 divided by 6, this is 2, right? Okay. So by this you can do many more questions. See assessment 3, divide and filling the boxes, like B part, 15 divided by 3. So recall the table of 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are 15. So 5 here. ऐसे ही 24 divided by 8, 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, 8 threes are 24. So what will you get? 3 here. So you must know the tables, okay? Then you can do division very easily. So you can try remaining parts. Now long division method. Division fact, 28 divided by 7 equals to 4. It can be written in long form. How? This is the long division form. How we can write it? Dividend, divisor, and this is the question. 28 divided by 7, answer is 4. Okay? So or we can write by this way. So we use long division method for problems that need more than one step. See, division of a 2-digit number by a 1-digit number. See example, divide 26 by 2 and check the answer. So 26 is dividend here, 2 is the divisor here. So write in the long division form like this. 26 here, 2 here. So now first take first digit, tens digit 2. So 2 ones are 2, 1 is the question, 2 here. Minus kar denge, you will get 0. Bring 6 down, right? Now recall the table of 2. You know 2 threes are 6. So 3 question mein likh denge, 6 here. 6 minus 6, 0. So what is 13? 13 is the question and remainder is 0. So here 26 divided by 2, we are getting 13. So how we can check? 13 multiplied by 2, we are getting 26. It means our answer is correct. Now come to assessment 4. The first question, divide the following and find the question. Also check your answer. Like here B part, 48 divided by 3. So what to do? 48 dividend here, 3 divisor here. Take the tens digit 4. Okay. Now you know 3 ones are 3. तो 1 हम question में लिखेंगे. 3 here. Minus करेंगे. 4 minus 3. This is 1. Take 8 down. Okay. It becomes 18. So now recall the table of 3. 3 6 are 18. So 6 here and 18. So what is quotient? Quotient is 16. Dividend is 48, right? Now see, like this C part, 33 divided by 3. Take the tens digit. 3 ones are 3. Now minus karenge 0. Take the ones digit down. 3 here. 3 ones are 3. So dividend is 33. Quotient is 11. Similarly, we can try remaining parts. Now come to next, division of 3-digit number by 1-digit number. See example 1, divide 336 by 3. So what to do? So first take the 100 digit, this is 3. So now divide 300 by 3. So what will you get? 3 ones are 3. Okay. Now 3 minus 3, 0 kar denge. Now take the next digit, tens digit 3. 3 ones are 3, right here 3. फिर minus कर देंगे 0. Take the next digit, this is 6. 3 twos are 6. Okay, so here 0 and here quotient is 112, right? So very simple. Now assessment 5, the first question, divide the following. Like B part 268 by 2. So 2 ones are 2, minus कर देंगे 0. Take next 6, 2 3s are 6. Okay, minus कर देंगे 0 here. Take the next digit 8, 2 4s are 8. So what is the quotient? Quotient is 134. Now division of a 4-digit number by a 1-digit number. To divide 4-digit numbers, we follow these steps. The first, divide the 1000, then divide the hundreds, then divide the tens, then divide the ones. See example 1, divide 6282 by 2. So what to do? Divide first 1000 digit, this is 6, divide by 2, 2 3s are 6. Okay, now इन दोनों को minus कर देंगे 0 here. Take down 100 digit, this is 2, 2 ones are 2, 1 हम लिख देंगे quotient में, 2 here, दोनों को minus कर देंगे 0. Now take down tens digit, this is 8, 2 4s are 8, 4 हम quotient में लिख देंगे, 8 here, minus कर देंगे, this is 0. Now take down last ones digit 2 here, 2 ones are 2. So what is the quotient? Quotient is 3141. Okay. Now similarly example 2, divide 4804 by 4. So 4 ones are 4, 4 here, minus कर देंगे 0. Take next digit 8, 4 2s are 8, 2 here, 8 here, minus कर देंगे, this is 0. Now take down 0, so 0 as it is. Now take down next digit, ones digit 4, 4 ones are 4, 1 here and 4 here, minus कर देंगे 0. So 1201 is the quotient. Now example 3, divide 6006 by 3. So take 1000 digit, this is 6, 3 2s are 6. So 2 as a quotient. Okay, now minus कर देंगे 0. Take down next digit 0. So 0 here. Now take down next digit 0. So 0 here. Now take down 6 here. 3 2s are 6. So this is the quotient 2002, right? Now assessment 6, question number 1, divide the following in your notebook. So like here, this one B part 6399 by 3. So what to do? This is 1000 digit, 3 2s are 6. Minus कर देंगे 0. Take 3 down, 3 ones are 3. Minus कर देंगे 0. Take down 9, 3 3s are 9. Minus कर देंगे 0. Then 9 down, 3 3s are 9. So this is the value, this is the answer. Similarly, we can try many more parts. Now we are talking about division with remainder. Look at the following example. There are 16 marbles in the given picture. If we group them into 3, 1 marble is left. हमारे पास 16 है और उनके हमने ग्रुपिंग की है 3 marbles में. 3 3 3 3 3 5 groups we are getting and 1 is left. So this one is what? This is called the remainder. So let us do in the long division method. 16 divided by 3, 3 5s are 15. So here 1 is remainder and 5 is the quotient. So how we can verify our answer? Dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. So 3 multiplied by 5 plus 1. 15 plus 1, that is 16. It means division is correct. Now example, divide 25 by 2 and check the answer. So 25 को हम 2 से divide करेंगे. So how we can do it? Take the tens digit. This is 2. 2 ones are 2. So 1 as a quotient, right? Now minus कर देंगे 0. Take down ones digit, this is 5, 2 2s are 4, 2 here, 4 here, minus कर देंगे. So we are getting remainder 1 and quotient 12. So now we can check our answer. How? We know very well, dividend equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder. So what to do? Divisor और quotient को multiply कर देंगे, means 12 multiply by 2, this is 24, plus 1, this is 25, this is dividend. It means our answer is correct, right? Now assessment 7, question number 1. Divide the following, find the quotient and remainder. Like C part, 3865 divide by 2. So take 1000 digit, this is 3, 2 ones are 2, minus कर देंगे 1 here, take down 8, 18 बन जाएगा, 2 nines are 18, okay. Now take down 6, 2 threes are 6. Now 5 here, so 2 2s are 4. So here this is quotient 1932 and remainder is 1. Similarly, we can try these sums. I hope everything is clear to you. So now next is division by regrouping. Example 1, divide 75 by 3. So it means here 75 by 3, so we will take tens digit, this is 7. तो अब हम क्या करेंगे, 3 2s are 6. So we can write here 6 under 7. हम यहाँ पर हमेशा छोटा नंबर ले सकते हैं, बड़ा नंबर हम नहीं ले सकते, because 3 3s are 9. We can't take 9 over here. We will take 6 here, 3 2s are 6. So write here 6. अब हम क्या करेंगे, 7 minus 6. This is 1. So now what to do? Take down ones digit, it becomes 15. 3 5s are 15. So what is the value? Value is 2525. Now assessment 8, question number 1, divide and check the answer, do in the notebook. Like C part, 96 divide by 5. So here 9 divided by 5, 5 ones are 5. So minus कर देंगे, 4 is left, now 6 down, 5 nines are 45. So here quotient is 19. Quotient is 19 and remainder is 1. So can we check your answer? Yes. So quotient into divisor plus remainder. So 19 into 5 plus 1. So 95 plus 1, this is 96. Dividend आ गया. It means our answer is correct. Okay. Similarly, you can try remaining parts. Now we are talking about division by 10, 100 and 1000. A part, divide 353 by 10. So 3 हम लेंगे, but 3 is smaller than 10. So we have to take 35. So 10 3s are 30. Then 5 is left. 3 down, 53. 10 5s are 50. So remainder is 3. So here 35 is quotient and 3 is remainder. Now divide 3795 by 100. So we can write it like this, 3700 plus 95. It means 37 multiplied by 100. Okay, so this is 37 only. Then 95. So remainder is 95 and 3700 divide करेंगे 100 से, we will get 37. So quotient is 37 and remainder is 95. ऐसे ही हमारे पास 2520 को divide करना है 1000 से, we can write 2000 plus 520. So it means 1000 multiplied by 2, 2000. So 2 is the quotient and remainder is this one. So remember, the zeros in the divisor 10, 100 or 1000 help in getting the answer. अगर हम like 2567 को 10 से divide कर रहे हैं, so first 3 digit 256 is the quotient and the last is the remainder. Now divide by 100. First 2 digit is the quotient and last 2 digit is the remainder. Now divide by 1000. First digit is the quotient and the last 3 digit is the remainder. Okay, do the practice, it would be clear to you. Now assessment 9. Divide and write the quotient and the remainder like a power 52 divided by 10. So what is the quotient? Quotient is 5 and remainder is 2. 2125 divided by 10. So last digit, this is the remainder and 212 is the quotient. Now this number 464 divided by 100. So last 2 digit is the remainder and first digit 4 is the quotient. 400 hai to 4 is the quotient. Now 2345 divided by 100. So 2300. So 23 is the quotient, 45 is the remainder. Now the next is word problems. Example 1. 326 sweets are to be packed in the boxes. If each box contains 8 sweets, how many boxes are needed and how many sweets will be left unpacked? So total sweets है 326 और हमें एक बॉक्स में 8 स्वीट्स पैक करनी है. So 326 divided by 8. So we can divide it by 8. So what we are getting? We are getting 40 as the question and 6 is the remainder. It means we need 40 boxes and 6 sweets will be left unpacked. I hope this is clear to you. Now assessment 10, question number 1, solve the following. A part, divide 320 eggs in 8 baskets equally. Find the number of eggs in each basket. It means divide 320 by 8. So what will you get? 8 fours are 32 and this 0 left, 0 here. So 40 eggs in each basket. Similarly, you can try these one. Now one aptitude reasoning, you can try this one also. I hope the concept is very much clear to you. So thank you for watching this video. Stay connected with us for more videos. Stay happy, stay blessed.